Hi guys, this is Andrew's DVD and VHS reviews here, and today I'm going to show you Larry the Lawnmower, Tangles, and the Unexpected Holiday ABC for Kids intro, and here we go.
Great! Angelina Ballerina, The Next Steps, today at 5:20 on ABC for Kids.
Proudly puff your whistles. Get on track with all new Thomas and Friends. All that on ABC for Kids.
Join us for more adventures on the island of Sodor.
That's right. It's the place for a piston pumping, engine chuffing, fun time. Good.
See you on Sodor.
All new Thomas and Friends next Monday at 9:15 on ABC for Kids.
Okay guys, that's it. So, if you like my content, please click like and subscribe.
The bright, hot sun had made it a very warm day at Greenwood Gardens.
We'll see you next time. Bye.